Hey, what's up, y'all? It's the big cousin Steve on that NERF tip. Today I got an unboxing and review of the NERF Mega DoubleBreach. Yes, sir. I am so excited to get this thing open. I am so excited. As soon as I saw this, my jaw went, bleh. This blaster is so beautiful. This is one of the most beautiful blasters I've ever seen, bro. I can't even. Down to the Mega logo. I don't know if you could tell, but it's like texturized. Bro. Oh, Boomtendo just sent me a picture. A lot of people jealous of the rainbow connection I got with Boomtendo. Back to the review. Yeah, bro, I'm feeling this. This is one thing me and Wacom S7 can agree on. This thing look clean AF, bro. Now let's quit yapping and get into this thing. All right, y'all, I gotta be so careful not to damage this blaster with this knife because it's so beautiful. All right, I must be very careful. Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay. Do I have any more ties? Oh yeah, I got a couple more. Man, they really tied this joint down. One more tie, hopefully, so I can pick it up and hold it. Okay. Is it all? Yes. Oh, oh my God. Now we gotta get these 6 Meggies out. Oh wait, and there's this thing too. What's this? Is this a part of the blaster? Okay. See, I would have probably thrown that thing away. Let's get these Meggies out. 6 more Mega Darts. Okay. I'll add it to my 300 trillion thousand. Might as well snap the little dart holder on these hoes. Ooh. Okay then. Man, that is clean. Let's pump this joint. Alright, is there slam fire? Finger on trigger. Oh man, this is my freaking go-to. I love that there is some cleanly little sling mounts on this thing. Lord. And to think, when Mega first was announced, it came out, I wasn't even feeling it. I was like, Mega? Man, them darts is huge, bro. Man, this might be the freaking best looking blaster I ever bought. Oh my God. Oh, I am done. I am looking forward to the Twin Shock too, don't get me twisted. Okay, let's go ahead and see how this thing go. Okay, I imagine you pull this back and you open the breech. And then you got 2 little places to put darts. So let's go ahead and grab a couple Meggies and slide them on in. Close the breech. Oh, all right, we're loaded. Let's bring it back. Let's shoot. I'll flip this around so you can see what I'm doing. All right, can y'all see my NERF target right at the top of that dart? All right, let's do it. I'm gonna aim for the target. Close. Yeah. Go. Oh. Whoa, here we go. Whoa, where were you going? Now, the DoubleBreach is clean. Mega darts aren't that accurate, so whatever, it ain't no big thing. But what I did notice about this is it's hitting pretty good. Like, I don't know exactly the FPS or whatever, but it seems like it's hitting pretty good. Like, this is cool, like at close range. And you really shouldn't be using the shotty for like long range anyway. I mean, this is for more like kicking down somebody's door and being like, Checkmate. And only because Boomtendo loves when I do it, let's see how this thing look with a light attachment. Oh, so you can buck shots in the dark. I love it. Would I recommend this? Yes, I would. So yes, go and get this. It's clean. It's lovely. It's beautiful. It's got a thin profile too. That's a thin profile. The handle, oh my God, very comfy. Both handles are comfy. Man, I'm gonna be dry firing this all day, son. Yeah. All right, y'all. Hit that like button if you're feeling this video. Share it all around the world. Let's make it viral. Hoop! And subscribe for more of that Big Cousin content, because I'm revealing that nerfy lifestyle video by video. I'll see you later.